Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be recapping Tuesday's price action and discussing my outlook for the markets. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button, and if you like this video, and also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. So go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. Also, if you click the red download ebook button, you will get the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all a free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Overall, I think this could be the start of the rebound. Selling pressure was drying up today. We saw 2,372 advancers to 2,105 decliners on the OTC markets, with 2.7 billion in trading volume. In this penny stocks here, I got 127 names. Most of it was green to flat to unchanged. So, we're getting some stability, no big runners, but right now we just need the market to stabilize. It just feels like we're dealing with a very bipolar market right now, with a lot of swings, a lot of uncertainty. But I read a great quote today, and is that fear is the best fertilizer for future bull markets. And we're going to get these 10x moves in OTC this year. I just don't know when they're coming. I am expecting 2022 to be a choppy year. I think we're going to see a lot of volatility like we are seeing. I think we're going to see more slow markets, and then they're going to heat up really fast and really violent, and we're going to get in tremendous, rip your face off type of rallies. As I've said in the video yesterday, a lot of OTC CEOs, they're holding back press releases. They know this is a bad market, and they're just biding their time, and that is the smart move right now. Because once you get these press releases, these catalysts with the market makers short, these low float plays, low market cap plays, we're just going to get a lot of huge moves. You're going to see these $10 million market caps right now. They're going to be 100 million market caps before you know it. Again, we are seeing a lot of prime bounce opportunities. We will be putting out a full report to our subscribers with our highest probability candidates for recovery plays. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com to get that full report. That is what I'm working on right now. But, in today's price action, on the NASDAQ, we saw XELA. This one rallied 32%. They put out news they're extending a contract with a leading consulting firm. Total contract value is over $35 million. It's just $115 million market cap with 5.67% of the float short. For NASDAQ, a lot of the details are on finviz.com. It's a great tool for those of you that are looking at NASDAQ plays. What else we got here? OWUV, finally a nice bounce, up 32%. This one was a huge winner for insiderfinancial.com subscribers. Back in November, we were the first one to profile it. If you go into the magnifying glass and, as I said, type in any symbol, you will get our full coverage. And OWUV, a potential metaverse play. This was on November 4th. You go back here to November 4th, and this opened at 0.0. On November 4th, where was it? Opened at 0.019, ran to 65 cents. Then a huge correction, but a huge winner for our subscribers. And these are the types of plays you want to look for. We're also looking for these recovery plays, but you want to look for these plays. Look at this move here. It didn't do anything for all of last year, not until December. So we were a month early, got our subscribers positioned, and then you got this tremendous run from December to really for the month of December. So in 1 month, just look at the gains. We had calculated our subscribers. This was our big winner last year. It was our biggest winner in 2021. Momentum still strong. 2,600%. So subscribers made over 2,600%. Again, you'd have to stay in for from the entry and sell at the top. But again, no one does that. So, as we tell everyone, buy dips, sell rips, always take money off the table, book profits. The ideal thing, if you can get your initial money out and then you have free shares and you let them rip. So that's a great trading strategy for those of you that are new to OTC. DIGAF, this is a Bitcoin play, finally got a bounce there, 26%. It's a double zero. MNMD, this is a psychedelic play, up 25%, was as low as 79 cents yesterday. Those were some cheapies under $1 that some people picked up, and we think this one still has plenty of potential. Next up here, one that everyone loves to talk about is ENZC. Again, this is one of our big winners last year, over 6,000%. There was this is the summary of the James Hicks interview with Dr. Chandra. If you look at what he said is on the anti-HIV monoclonal antibodies, 100% confident that we will achieve success with our primate study. Tremendous interest from Gilead and VIIV, the top 2 HIV drug companies on partnering. Already shared data and further data review ongoing. Anti-SARS-CoV monoclonal antibodies shared data with Eli Lilly and Regeneron and discuss opportunity to pursue emergency use authorization. Uplisting, they're saying, within days to weeks. Veterinarian monoclonal antibodies discuss potential partnership with 2 large veterinary medicine companies in the U.S. interested in developing MABS for feline immunodeficiency virus and feline leukemia virus. Their anti-HIV therapeutic revenue generating this year will be introduced in North America and Europe at the same time. Sales in Africa March, April of this year. AI platform. Our AI is very unique. It has helped the company leapfrog big pharma's monoclonal antibody discovery and development. Diagnostics and prognostics, revenue generating this year, patented diagnostic test for viruses with 100% accuracy. Prognostic test to predict vaccine antibody immune response. And then you have the enzylytics IPF Immune, immediate revenue generating product, immune modulator, safe, natural, and effective, no side effects. It's launching March. Stores, online, TV commercials, website. Will also be available on Amazon in March. So there's a lot happening with ENZC. This is a sleeper. Start paying attention to ENZC. This one can really get going. There's a ton of catalysts coming up, and this is what we really like about ENZC. Next up, SBFM was a big mover, up 22%. They put out a press release that they're applying to uplist to NASDAQ, planning a unit offering. Again, applying does not guarantee that they will uplist. They're still current, I believe. But again, you know, press release like this is what we want to see, and let's see how it plays out. Going back to MNMD, the FDA cleared the IND for MM120 in treatment of generalized anxiety disorder. The FDA clearance leads to the first commercial IND for LSD, enabling initiation of phase 2B dose optimization trial in early 2022. So again, this is a magic mushroom play. This sector, the cannabis sector, have really been beaten up, but there's some good plays for the long term in this sector. Next up is KYNC. The company put out updates and news coming soon for KYNC. Our team has been very busy. Stay tuned. You know, this is just a 00, up 14%. Again, you can see 2 green days back to back in a turbulent market. Very positive sign. And as you saw in December, this one ran to $0.015. You know, we get up there, it's a triple from here. So again, there are opportunities. So be paying attention. Next up is AIAD. This is one has been a big mover, very volatile name. They put out a tweet today. The AIAD platform enables marketers to leverage, visualize reports that connect the dots between advertising investments and sales revenue, show your executive leadership team the value you bring, and prove advertising's true financial impact. So the gist of this is that Brad Parscale, the former Trump campaign manager, he used it was his company, and he sold it to AIAD for stock. This is what they used in the Trump 2016 election victory. So the data analytics are there. It's a proven, you know, obviously they got Trump elected, so it's a proven success. And then, you know, with Trump's SPAC going public, there's just a lot of attention on AIAD and any Trump ancillary plays. But overall, you know, again, PHIL, a lot of people like that one, up 12%. CEI, this has been a volatile play, but finally bouncing off the 50-cent level. Keep your eye on this one. ILUS, Moon Market, his channel, he's all over this one. He's done great due diligence on ILUS. So if you want to further due diligence on ILUS, you can go check out Moon Market, or just go and simply enter the symbol ILUS, and you can get our full coverage that, you know, we talk about it in my videos. I also post my videos on insiderfinancial.com. This allows you it comes up in the search terms. This way you can go back and look at my past videos, stocks I've talked about. If any names that you're in and you want to get my take on it. Again, not financial advice, just trying to provide you guys as much guidance as possible, and hopefully, you know, get through this trying times, and then make the big money when OTC gets hot again. When that happens, don't know, guys. I wish I had a crystal ball. Wednesday's going to be volatile. You know, we're not going to have any alerts today just because it's Fed day. ahead of the 2 p.m. Minutes release, and then you got a press conference out after the market. It's going to be volatile. I expect the market to go one way and then close another. It always does that. So you get that knee-jerk reaction, and then the market settles down. So be interesting to see after how the markets react to Powell's press conference and then the after hours. Basically, investors are just looking for some reassurance from Powell that he's not going to take away the punch bowl too soon, and that there is risk on can get back going. Risk on sentiment can return to markets, and investors can start putting money to work. I'm heavily in cash. I'm waiting for the right opportunities. A lot of other investors are doing the same thing, just because it's a bipolar market, and even a lot of plays with news, they're not seeing any follow through. So it is a tough market, but we will get through this. And on some of these good plays that, as I say, fear is the best fertilizer for future bull markets. We're going to be looking at some oversold plays and sending a full report to subscribers. So make sure you are signed up to get this full report on top recovery plays at signup.insiderfinancial.com. With that being said, I wish everyone a great trading day. If your portfolio is red, don't despair. Make sure you have cash on hand for when the markets turn, and you can take advantage of these opportunities. But I like today's price action. This could be the start of the OTC recovery. We shall see. It all depends on Powell. Again, it's crazy that, as I said in the video yesterday, the OTC has nothing to do with the broader market. OTC is speculative and catalyst driven, low float, short squeeze types of plays. But, there's an overall risk off sentiment, in the markets. And that's what's affecting the OTC right now. All right, guys, I want to wish everyone a great trading day, and be coming live to you tomorrow with an update and discussing Powell's press conference and my updated market outlook. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.